Few of my subscribers asked me that they have learned how to annotate in Google Classroom using Kami extension. But sometimes students don't see their work marked and have issues, so I have made an easy solution for it. Stick around, I'll show you how. First you will open the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and you will write classroom.google.com and press enter. Now I'll open one of my class and then go to classwork and then click on any of the assignment which you have given. So now this is the assignment the student have turned in and one is assigned who has not submitted the work till yet. So usually what you do, you just click on one of the assignment. You just check the work and then annotate it like this, for example, and then you just give the marks. For example, this 20, all are correct, and you return the work and then you close it. So this is how you usually do it. But what actually you need to do, what happens sometimes the connection of the internet is slow, so at that time annotation using Kami is not saved properly. So when you return all the work, later on the students say that our work is not annotated, or when even you see the work is not annotated. So how to overcome this thing? You simply need to do this, that just right click on it, open a new tab like this, and then again right click, open new tab, and then again right click and open a new tab. These all assignments are open in different tabs, which you can see here on the top. So it will take a while to open. The first one will open more quickly, and then the other one will take more time. But what will happen, as soon as you finish checking one assignment and then you click on the other will be open by that time. So in this way you will save your so much time, because when you open a file it takes some times to open. So by this method, when you open multiple tabs, I recommend 7 to 8 tabs at once. If you have 20 students, then open first 7 or 8 tabs and then check their work, then open 8 more tabs like this. So it will help you checking easily, and the time will also be saved. So what I'm going to do here, I'm again marking this student work. This is correct, so I'm putting right, and then there is a mistake here, for example, so just I'm marking it and then I'm clicking it again. So, and this is also correct, so I'm giving 18 marks, okay, and I'll be clicking here on return, and I'm again clicking on return. Now I'll not be closing this tab directly. What I'll do, I'll just click on the next tab, and then I'll mark that student also. Now let's say this is marked. So now again I'll give marks, and then again I'll click on return, and now I'll click on the last tab. So this is the last tab, and you can see already the marking is there because I have checked it. My internet speed is good, so that's why I immediately close it last time, but it is still marked here. If this is not marked, it's mean that the internet speed was slow, that's why it wasn't saved. Now one more important thing I want to tell you here, that when you click on save here, you see there's an option auto save. Make sure that this is checked also. If this is not checked, then it will not auto save and you will have a problem and the student will not be able to see it. So this is the solution. This is the easy solution that you can check and annotate. Now what will I do? I close all the tabs now. So what will happen, that all of my work is saved. So I hope you have understood that we need to open multiple tabs, and how we need to open that I have already taught you, that you need to open multiple tabs, then you need not to close it and check all the work. It will give you two benefits. The first one, that whatever annotation you do in Kami, that will be saved properly, student will be able to see it. And the second benefit is that you will save a lot of time, because when you open multiple tabs, first you will be working on the first tab, and by the time on the back other tests will be starting and they will be loading. So by this, when you click on the next step, you don't have to wait. If you find this video helpful, then do give me a like, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family so other may benefit too. Good luck, take care, Allah Hafiz.